Hi, this is Chris Tilberg with Jolt Advantage Group. Today I want to spend a few minutes going over the Oracle UPK Record It tool and show you how powerful this can be to transform your organization by putting the power of the UPK tool in the hands of the folks that actually have your organizational application knowledge. So a little bit about the UPK Record It tool. This comes packaged with Oracle UPK and can be used with little to no training. Can be used by anyone within your organization under your UPK end user licensing agreement. What this tool does is it allows for rapid generation of content for testing, training, and application support. So I'll give you a quick demo. The UPK Record It tool can be installed on any user's machine under your UPK end user licensing agreement. So in essence, if you have 50 end user licenses, this tool can be installed on 50 machines, 500, and so forth. It's a very lightweight installation and, like I mentioned, can be used with little to no training. When you come into the Record It tool, you have the option to create a new topic or a new topic with sound. Sound is really powerful because it allows your subject matter experts to just simply click away and talk as they're making their recording, which can tell you maybe the why information around what they're doing. You do have the ability to change some simple recording preferences, such as what your screenshot capture key will be and what key to use to start and stop your sound recordings. Keep in mind, unlike the UPK actual developer tool, everything within this Record It tool is done with automatic recording. So we're going to go ahead and show you how this works. I'm going to click New Topic. So you'll notice here my recorder window opens on top of my application. For this example, I'm going to use something that is kind of generic. I'm going to navigate to a Quest users group. This will show you that you can use this with any application, not just Oracle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the application, and for me, my screenshot capture key is F8. I'm going to hit F8, and you'll notice that the recorder goes away. So now at this point, everything I do, the recorder is going to capture. So for this example, I'm going to click Community, User Groups, and I'm going to search for a user group. Why not UPK? Here you go. The UPK SIG page is right here. I'm going to click it. And here's the information around the special interest group for UPK. If you're not a member, I highly recommend joining. So at this point, I'm finished with my recording. I simply press my screenshot capture key again, which for me is F8. You'll notice now that the Record It tool opens up my recording and it looks a lot like PowerPoint. This is done on purpose so that it has a familiar look and feel. You can go through here and I can take a look at each capture. For example, it showed that I clicked the link community. I don't have to put that in. That'll all come over in UPK. So the good thing about this is if I did want to make simple edits, I could here, or I could change my action area and so forth. I can add notes, such as author notes, things that you want to keep in mind. So if the subject matter expert did not want to use sound, they could just type in their notes here. This can also be used for expected results if you're recording a test script. You do have the ability on the back end to map these author notes in the developer to expected results on test cases and so forth. So I can go through here, review my recording. This one looks like I captured something by mistake. I do have the ability to delete a frame. So I will just delete it, and notice you do get a window here that will tell you that you cannot undo this action. One thing to keep in mind with the Record It tool, you can delete frames, but you cannot add frames. So just keep that in mind. So it's always good to get a little extra. Once I'm finished, I can put in any notes here. So say for example, on this next one, I'm going to put in typing in my UPK, and once I hit enter, I'm expecting the UPK SIG page to displays. Once I'm finished, I simply save, and you do have the ability to just put this on a shared drive. That way your development staff can get to it. So you can put this up on SharePoint, shared drive, locally, wherever you feel fit. So I'm going to just call this demo and save it. So now at this point, you're done with the Record It tool. You would notify your development staff that can use the UPK developer licenses that the topic is ready to be picked up. Quickly, I will show you how that works. So in UPK, there's a simple import process through the tools, import, topics from Record It. All I would do is browse to my topic, wherever that may be, and then I can tell it where to put it. For this example, I'm just going to put it in my Record It import folder. So once I import this, it will come right into UPK, and then you have the full capabilities of the UPK developer, which is covered under your UPK developer license. What you will notice here is on that one frame where I did add the comments, on my frame comments here, I believe it's right around here. You'll notice here they come in. My author notes come right in here, and like I mentioned, if you were using this for a text or for a test script rather, you could map this to your expected results on a say test case output and so forth. So anyways, just to recap here, the UPK Record It tool can be used by anyone within your organization under your UPK end user licensing agreement. This tool requires little to no training and allows you to put the power of this single source content capturing software in the hands of those people within your organization who contain that application knowledge to help you out and speed up the front end side of your development process. If you have any questions around the UPK Record It tool or anything else UPK related, feel free to reach out to us. We can be reached at info@joltadvantage.com or by phone 855-238-5658. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us today. Have a great rest of your week.